to pack for Korea. I've been waiting all year for this and I just can't believe how quickly it's come up. This is going to be my first overseas trip and I'm going for about 11 days with James and some friends. We are going over for my friend Sujin and Drew's wedding, but James and I are going to spend the first week in Seoul together, just exploring the area. I just can't believe how quickly it's come up. Like, I'm going to be on a plane next Friday going to Korea. I have been loving these pack with me videos on YouTube, so I thought I'd just film and show you guys what I'm gonna bring. So I'm gonna try and make this short and sweet. I'm gonna start with my carry-on. I've just written in my old journal what I want to pack. So I've just got this duffel bag from Sports Girl. I've had this for a few years and it's still holding up really well. It's got a lot of space in here. I've just added my cute little keychain that James got me. And yeah, it's got a zip, it's got these handles, so my back's not going to get too sore carrying it around. I was going to buy a new carry-on, but I wanted to save a bit of money and I've already got one, so I'm all about reusing stuff that I've already got. First things first is my laptop. This is going to be great for the plane just to watch movies. I was going to bring my hard drive, but I'm just a bit worried that I'll lose it. It's got so many years of footage on it, so yeah, I'm going to bring my laptop so I can put all my footage on it. Next, I have just got all of my cameras. I'm just gonna bring my camcorder as a backup. I've got my film camera, also bought some Kodak film, but I'm gonna put that in my luggage. And then look how cute this is, guys. I'm currently filming on my little camera, but this is my camera case and I absolutely love it. Next, I have just also got another little Sports Girl bag, and this has just got Panadol and wipes in it. I'm gonna try pack light because I know I'm gonna buy lots of beauty products over there. So this one's gonna be used for all of my adapters, chargers, cables, all of that stuff. I've also got some Korean money. Next, I am bringing my Sony headphones. These are hands down the best headphones I have ever owned. They are noise cancelling and yeah, I absolutely love these. I've had them for a few years. Then I am just gonna bring my reusable baggy bag. This is good for like shopping. Now I'm gonna get a bum bag, I think, or I'm gonna bring a handbag on the plane. What I'll put in that is my new journal. Oh, absolutely love the front cover, guys. But this is going to be my journal for Korea, just to, you know, write about each day and do some junk journaling while I'm over there. Then I've just got my wallet. This one's also from Sports Girl. They honestly have the best sales. Like, if you wait a couple months for something, it will go on sale for like less than $10. I think this wallet was like $7. And then I've just got my passport, of course. I've also just got this neck pillow that mum had. This is just going to be good for the plane. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for carry-on. Like I said, I'm not going to bring a lot with me just because I know I'm going to go a bit crazy and buy stuff over there. For this next part, I think I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to bring and then I'll start doing a little pack. Now guys, this is just going to be a rough pack because I still have washing that I need to do. So I'm just going to show you a couple of the things that I'm going to bring. Weather in Korea at the moment is saying low of 18 degrees and then top of like 25, 26 degrees. I'm going to be doing lots of walking around, so I just want to feel cute and comfortable. First up, of course, I've just got my Jeff Avenue PJs, and I think I'm going to bring denim shorts. I'm either going to go for these shorts or my jorts. I have just got my basic Jeff Avenue tank top. I feel like this is super easy to layer. these pants from Faithful the brand, and I feel like these are just so easy to chuck on. My Verge Girl set that I absolutely love, wide leg Levi jeans. I absolutely love these, and again, these are just baggy, super easy to wear. Then of course my Damps and Matter pants, absolutely love these. These are a must bring. And I have just got my 2 white vintage tops. I absolutely love these tops. I'm also going to bring my little tie top that I got from Cotton On. Then this is my new purchase, guys. I am going to bring my Damps and Matter dress. Can't wait to take some photos in it when I'm in Korea. And for the exciting part, so you guys know I'm going over for my friend's wedding. I think I'm going to bring both dresses just in case. So I also have this Damps and Matter slip dress. This was the first dress that I was going to bring, but I'm still tossing up if I do an outfit change between the wedding and the receptions. Did, however, buy this beautiful green slip dress that I absolutely love. I'll put a photo up on the screen. I feel like this is definitely more formal to wear. So I am still just tossing up what sneakers to bring. I'm gonna wear my pink Crocs on the plane, and then I've just got my white New Balance sneakers. I'm just tossing up if I bring my New Balance or my platform sandals. I, of course, have to bring my cowboy boots. And then for the wedding, I have just got my LMS silver shoes. They are so sexy and so nice for the wedding. I think I'm just gonna pack these 2 bags. I think I want to bring this one on the plane. And then of course I've just got my Coach bag. This fits absolutely everything, so I think I'm going to bring this one as well. I absolutely love her. She's my favourite Coach bag. Just super light too. I've seen so many videos of the bag selection in Korea, like Marge Sherwood. Now I'm going to buy a bag over there. Then lastly, I've just got all my toiletries, makeup, jewellery. I'm just going to bring toiletries, razor, mouthwash, deodorant, toothpaste. Then I'm going to put my Kodak film in my luggage too. And of course, just my makeup bag with my brushes, skincare, all of that. I've got to go through this and sort it out before I go. Yeah, I might do a time lapse now of just me packing everything, showing you how I'm going to pack. I am coming to you from the floor now. I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to pack. I think I'm going to put jeans, all my heavy stuff like my jeans, pants, Damps and Matter dress just on the bottom. Then in here I've just got all the tops and pants. I think I'm just going to place that on top. Oh, she's packed. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, I am so excited to be traveling. If you wanna follow me on any socials, Instagram, TikTok, I'll be posting a bit over there. And yeah, I will be making 2 videos while I'm over there, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week and I'll see you soon.